It's quite picturesque. It's very lovely. Good morning from my garage. It is Friday, January 10th, 2025. And just look. It's like we're living in freaking Harry Potter. It's really snowing. And this might not be a big deal to you, but I'm from Alabama. I live in Alabama. I've lived in Alabama my whole life. This is a big deal. The whole reason I'm outside is because I'm going to get my coat out of my car because I left it in there like an idiot last night. And I have a hair cap on because I don't want my hair getting messed up. Look at my car. It's like big fat snow. I got my jacket. And I don't have a kid or anything, but I do have a dog, and he likes the snow, so we're gonna see if he wants to go play. Cause why not? It's not like we're going anywhere. It's like, this is honestly some of the most snow I've ever seen here. Like, as far as like, oh, are you peeing? Okay. Oh, it looks so beautiful. It is thick. It's lots of snow. We normally just get like a sprinkle, but this is a lot. This is a lot of snow, handsome. Oh, it got in my shoe. He's still gonna bark at something. Handsome. He licks it. Goofy dog. Handsome boy. Hi, baby. I'm just kind of laying in bed. I'm very tired still, but I'm enjoying looking at the snow. It's very pretty. That is the best freaking way to shred chicken. I will never do it by hand again. Super easy recipe.
Are you done with this?
No. It's about 1 in the afternoon, and I'm not gonna lie, I haven't really been doing that much today. I have some chicken taco soup in the Instant Pot that I'm like filming a little video of that I'm making. Like, it's all a part of the same video that you're watching right now. But I'm about to get in the shower And then I'm gonna try and hang some clothes up and do some like cleaning around the house. I've got a load of laundry in right now. I'm gonna try and be productive for the rest of like the afternoon. And yeah, I'm really excited for my soup to be soup. It's like chicken taco soup, white chicken chili. I don't know what you wanna call it, but it's really freaking good. And I'm excited for that. And it's gonna be so good. I'm like, I might even sit outside. It's so cold, but I don't care. I feel like the soup's gonna warm me up. This is Coca-Cola.
Oh.
I'm not having alcohol. I'm just having Coke in a fancy glass.
Oh.
It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's kind of sleeting. Yeah, I'm supposed to start snowing here in about 20 more minutes. My soup is almost done. I'm probably about to have a bowl of that. I just got out the shower. Sorry, I ate a tortilla chip. But yeah, we're just gonna be hanging out some more. It's time for the big soup reveal. It's always best to just open your Instant Pot away from you because it's always freaking hot. Let me give it a stir. See what it looks like. It smells so good. I think it needs more seasoning. Yeah, I feel like the soup definitely needs like more taco seasoning. I normally add 2 packs, but I only added 1. I think it's missing that. So we're gonna fix it. Okay, it tastes better now. I didn't add any more taco seasoning. I just added a little more ranch seasoning. And I added some of this. And a little bit more of this as well. I know, it tastes good. I'm so excited to use these soup bowls. Like, they're so cute. I'm just kind of chilling in the bathroom. I'll say I just kind of like did a little bit of skincare and I put some eyebrows on my face because I don't know about you, but like I have to trick myself into being productive at home. And if I'm like showered and feel put together, specifically if I have pants on, I feel like I have to like be up and doing something. So I'm trying to stay productive. I've got my second load of laundry going, so that's something. My soup is finished. I'm about to do the dishes here in a second and try and hang some more clothes. I don't know. I kind of want to watch Harry Potter. Okay, I'm actually going to make some grape salad. I don't know if anybody knows what that is, but I am obviously stuck in the house because we're snowed in and I want chicken salad chick, and I already have chicken salad in my fridge. And even one of my coworkers, my coworker Mo, shout out to you, she goes to chicken salad chick a lot, and she was like, this tastes like classic Carol. And I was like, oh my god, thank you, it's a copycat recipe, oh my god. But anyway, I'm gonna try and make some grape salad because I have all the stuff. We got grapes at the store and it just sounds really good. It's gonna be crunchy, it's gonna be fresh, creamy, cold, and the nuts on the top. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna see how it turns out. Gonna try it without any toppings or anything, just plain. Honestly, I couldn't be bothered to dirty up another bowl. So I just used a paper towel to chop up some pecans, and I'm mixing it with some brown sugar. I got these cute little ramekins at Target. in the little dollar section. So I'm gonna put me some grape salad in there. Oh, that looks so good. Get out of freaking town. I do like chicken salad chick, but I was just spending way too much money there, like way too much. And like a little bowl of grape salad like this is like $4. And I just made this like whole thing for way less, or not way less than that, but like this is $4 worth. And I have a lot more left over for the amount of money that was spent. I am gonna take a nap for like 45 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna get up and hang up clothes in the closet. I really think I'm gonna try and make some like stuffed pepperoncinis with some like, I have garlic and I have pepperoncini, and I'm gonna make like a herby cream cheese and stuff that in my pepperoncini and wrap them in bacon and put them in the air fryer. It looks so fucking good. It smells like pizza in a good way. I think that was the perfect amount of time too. They're quite hot.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like pizza. It's so good. They're so good. I look like a baked potato. But good morning. It is snow day, day 2. It'll probably be the last day because it looks more clear out there. But irregardless, I am making a hash brown casserole this morning. I think it's gonna come out really good. I've got my potatoes right here. They were shredded in the food processor and soaked in cold water overnight to pull out some of the starch. And then this morning I soaked them in a pot of boiling hot water just to cook them because they were just raw ass potatoes. I would have egg if we had egg. I just finished those little grapes. They're so freaking good. Like, oh my God. But they're very sour. I ran out of hangers, so I'm gonna try and go through my closet and just be brutal with the items. And if it's not like, if I haven't worn it in 6 months, it's gotta go. So I'm gonna see how that goes. Okay, so before, I probably should have done it before and after. I'm not even joking, you couldn't even see the floor. Like, not at all, couldn't see the floor. And now we've got stuff hung up. We've got stuff hung up. Stuff hung up there. And I think a lot of progress was made in here. So I'm proud of that. Alrighty, it's about 7:30. I have been cleaning all day. I want to show my closet because I got a lot of work done there. I'm about to take a shower and then I want to do a face mask because I'm starting to like break out a little bit. But yeah, I'm just going to hop in the shower and then just chill out. I already had dinner and then I'm gonna get ready for bed because I will be going back to work tomorrow. The snow has melted as it normally does here. So that was my little snow day vlog, or that was my little snow day weekend, I guess I should say. Forced 2 days off and I really tried to make the most of it. I really did enjoy myself. But I mean, I guess it's back to work tomorrow. I don't really have too much of a choice in that.